Exporting video clips from your Lorex NVR involves selecting specific channels and time ranges. There are three main methods: web interface, Lorex Secure app, or PC Mac client software. First, ensure your NVR's firmware is up to date for the best compatibility and security features. Older models may have limited functionality. Next, decide on your export method. For remote access, the Lorex Secure app is ideal. For detailed control, use the web interface or PC Mac client software. Select the desired channel camera and specify the start and end times for your clip using the date time pickers in the interface. Choose your desired video quality and file format. MP4 is recommended for compatibility with standard media players. Finally, the exported video will be saved to your selected destination, such as a USB drive or cloud storage. Beyond basic exports, Lorex NVRs include AI-enhanced features that automatically create clips using motion detection or facial recognition. To access this, navigate to the event settings in your export interface. This helps find relevant footage quickly without manual searching. For troubleshooting, ensure a stable network connection for remote exports and enough storage space on your device. Common problems include compatibility with older models or firmware bugs. Upgrade to the latest firmware for older NVRs to resolve these issues. Always verify the exported clip by playing it back. Enable strong passwords and two-factor authentication to secure your recordings.